here we go with the vintage effect. And the other one, well, the other that I gave you all, it wasn't the name, the effect of the, wasn't the right name, but this is vintage. And it's the Mississippi River on this boardwalk. Vintage effect. This is no longer 4K, so, but because you can't do any effects on the when you're using 4K, so it's pretty kind of creepy, you know, being up here like this and nothing else is under you but water. But I really never like boardwalks anyway, but I'm sure this is not the time to talk about that, so I'm gonna give you some more effects.